Good afternoon, everyone. And welcome for today's lecture. Yesterday we have completed the unit number 3. So we are in the today's lecture we are going to solve some additional problems which asked in Solapur University exams. So first question we will start with: find or determine h parameters determine h parameters for the network shown in figure. For the network shown in figure. So this is the question asked for 4 marks. So the given network is shown in the figure. Very simple network to observe. This will be 2 dash. Okay. Resistor is 2 ohm and this resistor is 4 ohm. So how to solve this problem? Only 2 resistors are there and you have to find h parameters for the given network. So how to start? We have solved already the problems on h parameters or any parameter. How to start? So what is the question here? Finding h parameter. So start with h parameter equations. Okay. H parameters you can write in terms of equations. The h parameters of given two-port network can be represented by so write down the equation. मग h parameters equation कसं असतं? V1 and I2 acting as a dependent variable. V1 and I2. So H11 into I1 plus H12 into V2. Similarly, I2 is equal to H21 into I1 plus H22 into V2. So this is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. Okay. So equation you must know, because to solve the problems we require the equations and formulas. Now, first of all, what will be the condition? V2 equal to 0 and second condition is I1 equal to 0. So these two are called as equal to 0 are called as condition. So V2 equal to 0 means what? It is related to second port. So second port you have to make it short, that is V2 equal to 0. Next, when V2 equal to 0 you will get two parameters H11 and H21. Next, I1 equal to 0. So I1 means the first port you have to make it open. So when I1 equal to 0, you will get remaining two parameters, that is H12 and H22. That already we know. So we will start with first condition, that is when V2 equal to 0, that is port 2 dash is short circuited. port 2 dash काय करायचं आपल्याला? शॉर्ट सर्किट करायचं आहे. So we have to short. So when we are going to short the 2 dash, what will happen? काय होणार आहे सांगा? What about 4 ohm? 4 ohm राहणार का ओपन होणार? इथं शॉर्ट आहे, शॉर्टला एक्झॅक्टली पॅरलल 4 ohm आहे. So what will happen? 4 ohm will become open or it will become short? Yes. So 4 ohm with 0 ohm, take the parallel combination, it will give the 0 ohm. So only two resistors we can replace by short circuit. So I will draw the circuit according to new condition, that is V2 equal to 0 नुसार मी काय करणार आहे? ड्रॉ करणार आहे. So this will be 2 dash, this will be 2 ohm, this will be 1 dash. ओके. सो दिस विल बी करंट I2. हा करंट काय असणार आहे I1 प्लस मायनस V1 and this will be V2 equal to 0. म्हणजेच काय असणार आहे शॉर्ट सर्किट. ओके. अप टू दिस the point understood. 4 ohm will become open because exactly parallel there will be the short circuit. म्हणजे 2 to dash short केलं की 4 ohm automatic open होणार. Now V1, I1, I2 are present, V2 equal to 0. Now when V2 equal to 0, you are putting in equation number 1 and 2, you will get two parameters. कुठले? H11 is equal to V1 upon I1. V1 upon I1 condition is V2 equal to 0 and H21 is equal to H21 म्हणजेच काय I2 upon I1. H21 is equal to I2 upon I1. Condition is V2 equal to 0. So I1 and I2 both are the same current. फक्त मायनस येणार कारण दोघांचे डायरेक्शन काय आहेत अपोजिट आहेत. सो I1 I2 minus I1. I2 तुम्ही minus I1 करा म्हणजे I1 कॅन्सल होईल. -1 will be the answer of H21. Directly you can get. Understood. नेक्स्ट V1 upon I1. V1 upon I1 म्हणजेच काय whenever V upon I upon V असं असेल आणि एकाच पोर्टचा असेल तेव्हा काय सांगितलं होतं what you have to find out Z equivalent 1. So observe the Z equivalent 1 from this side. Observe the this side and measure from opposite side. फक्त एकच आहे 2 ohm. So 2 ohm is the answer of H11 and H21 answer is -1. So directly we can get, very simple network it is. So directly we can get the answer now. Okay. So now V1 is equal to I1 into Z equivalent 1. So V1 is equal to I1 into Z equivalent 1 is only 2. Only 2 ohm is there. So what is V1 upon I1? That is H11 is equal to V1 upon I1 is equal to 2. So what is the unit of H11? As it is represents impedance. Impedance unit का असतो ohm. So this is the answer of first parameter, that is the H11. Now from observation or from the network, what you observe, I2 is equal to minus I1. Both are the same, only the due to direction the negative sign is there. So what is I2 upon I1? That is nothing but H21. So H21 is equal to I2 upon I1 is equal to काय राहणार I1 इकडे आल्यावर काय राहणार -1 राहणार. So -1. So I upon I means current gain. So no unit. So S21 value is -1. Okay, very simple now. Now next one, second condition. So second condition is what? I1 equal to 0. So when I1 equal to 0, मग I1 equal to 0 म्हणजेच काय? That is port 1 1 dash, कारण it is related to first port. Port 1 1 dash is open circuited. Port 1 1 dash is open circuited. So according to that you have to draw the circuit. त्याच्यानुसार काय करायचं डायग्राम काढायचं. So this is 2 2 dash, 2 ohm, 4 ohm. This is 1 1 dash. Now mention all those variables. This is plus minus V2. This current is I2. Now I1 is equal to 0. I1 equal to 0 म्हणजेच I2 तर इकडे येणार नाही कारण ओपन आहे. Okay, this is plus minus V1. I2 is not coming because here open and I1 पण 0 आहे, त्यामुळे ह्याच्या अक्रॉसचा व्होल्टेज किती असणार आहे 0 volt. Okay, so when I1 is equal to 0 you are putting in equation number 1 and 2, you will get the two parameters. मग कुठले parameters मिळणार तुम्हाला? H12 is equal to V1 upon V2. Condition is what? I1 equal to 0 and H22 is equal to I2 upon V2. So I2 upon V2. So whenever I2 upon V2 किंवा V2 upon I2, V1 upon I1, I1 upon V1 जेव्हा एकाच पोर्टचे असेल, whenever the variables are of same port and I upon V or V upon I is there, straightforwardly find out Z equivalent. So here Z equivalent 2 you have to find out. So इथं 0 volt असल्यामुळं don't consider this 2 ohm. So if you are observing from this side, what is the equivalent resistance? That is only 4. So that is the answer of Z equivalent. So V2 is equal to Z equivalent 2 into I2. This is by Ohm's law we can say. So V2 is equal to, so what is Z equivalent to? That is only 4. So 4 into I2. So what is I2 upon V2 we requires? I2 upon V2. So I2 upon V2, that is nothing but H22. So H22 is equal to I2 upon V2 is equal to 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is what? 0.25. So I2 upon V2 means admittance. So 1 upon 4 mho or 0.25 mho. Whatever. 1 by 4 पण ठेवू शकता किंवा 0.25 also you can keep. So this is the answer of third parameter, that is H22. So how to get now H12? That is V1 upon I2. आता V1 upon V1 upon V2, sorry. So V2 means what? Voltage across 4 ohm. So V1 is what? That is also voltage across 4 ohm. Have you understood? So how to find out? V1 is equal to, कारण ह्याच्या अक्रॉस 0 आहे, जर तुम्ही KVL अप्लाय कराल तर काय होणार? V1 is nothing but voltage across 4 ohm. So 4 ohm मधून कुठला करंट फ्लो होणार आहे? 4 ohm मधून I1 तर 0 आहे. So only I2 is flowing. So V1 is equal to V2 is equal to 4 into I2 येणार. दोन्ही voltage same असणार. Okay? So that you have to write. So H12 is equal to V1 upon V2. So V1 means what? 4 into I2, and V2 is also nothing but 4 into I2. So I2 will get cancelled. 4 will get cancelled and remaining 1. So H12 is equal to V1 upon V2. Okay. So E is equal to 1. So as it is voltage gain, no unit or unitless. So H12 is equal to 1. So this is the last parameter. So finally, you can write all parameters in a one box. So H parameters of given network are given by, you can write H11 किती आले? H11. So H11 is that is 2 ohm. H12 is 1. H21 is -1 and H22 is 0.25 mho. Okay, so these you can write combinedly in one box at the end of this solution. So any doubt in this problem? Very simple network given. Any doubt? Okay, so we will continue with the second problem now. Question number 2 now. Question number 2. Find Z parameters. This question was asked in the university question paper for 4 marks. Find Z parameters of given network. So here now, instead of resistor, inductor and capacitor is there. But its impedances are given. So these are inductors and this is the capacitor. So their impedances are given J40 ohm, J80 ohm, and this is minus J160 ohm. Okay, 1 dash. If not given, you can take 2 dash. So they are asking Z parameters of given network and also find ABCD parameters or transmission parameters. So how to find out now? Anyone? How to solve this problem? Whether we have to use conventional method or we can use different. Conventional method म्हणजे काय? Write down the equation of a Z parameter. Then use the condition I2 equal to 0, I1 equal to 0. Find out the parameters. This is called as what? Conventional method. So here if you are observing the network, त्याचं structure कसं आहे? Anyone? T network. Okay, very good. So T network is there and already impedances are given. Okay, so from T network we can find out both Z as well as ABCD. कारण T network represent करण्यासाठी दोन parameter use केले, Z as well as ABCD. So this is acting as what? ZA. This is ZA. This will be ZB and this will be ZC. Okay, so you can start with directly as given network is T network as given network is T network. So ZA is equal to J40 ohm. These are called as elements. ZA, ZB, ZC are called as what? Elements of T network. So ZA is equal to J40, ZB is equal to J80 and ZC is equal to minus J160 ohm. So कॅपॅसिटरचं इम्पेडन्स ऑलवेज मायनस असतो, लक्षात ठेवा. And इंडक्टरचं ऑलवेज पॉझिटिव्ह असतो. That you can keep in a mind. Okay, so these are called as what? Elements of T network. Now next, once you know the ZA, ZB, ZC, you can directly find out the Z parameters. So already equations or formulas we know, so you can find out now. First of all, we are finding the Z parameters. So I will call it as A part, that is the Z parameters we can find out. So Z parameters of T network. So what is the formula for this one? First one is Z11. Z11 is equal to काय असणार आहे? See the network. What is the formula? Addition of these two, ZA plus ZC, that is Z11. Z11 is equal to ZA plus ZC. So calculate ZA किती आहे? That is J40 and ZC is minus J160. So what is the answer? Minus J120 ohm. So that is the answer of Z11. Okay, so next, second part, Z12 is equal to Z21. Directly you can calculate both. Z12 is equal to Z21 is equal to minus ZC असतो. Okay, so ZC is equal to what? Minus J60 you can put here. So minus of minus J160. So that becomes Z12 is equal to Z21 is equal to minus minus becomes plus, that is J160 ohm. So this is the answer of Z12 and Z21 and unit is ohm. Now last, that will be Z22. So Z22 is equal to addition of these two, ZB plus ZC. Okay, so Z22 is equal to ZB plus ZC. So put here ZB is equal to J80 minus J160. So answer is Z22 is equal to 80 madhun 160 minus 160 means minus J80 ohm. So this will be the last. So Z parameters you can combinedly write in a one box. So Z11 is equal to minus J120 ohm. Z12 is equal to J160 ohm. Z21 is equal to J160 ohm and Z22 is equal to minus J80 ohm. So these are called as what? Z parameters. Okay, now second part, how to find out transmission parameters or ABCD parameters. What are the formulas? तुम्हाला ZA, Z1, ZA, ZB, ZC माहित आहेत. फॉर्म्युलेज लक्षात असायला पाहिजेत. एकतर फॉर्म्युलेज लक्षात ठेवा किंवा ABCD आणि Z मधला रिलेशन. So A part, how to find out A is equal to Yes. So everything in the denominator ZC is there. ZC denominator मध्ये कॉमन आहे सगळीकडे. Okay. So A is equal to ZA plus ZB divided by ZC. So ZA means how much value? That is J40. ZB किती आहे? J80 divided by minus J160. So what is the answer now? J40 and J80, that is J120 minus J160. So J will get cancelled. Okay, 120 divided by 160 means 3 by 4. So A is equal to what? Minus 3 by 4 किंवा minus 0.75 म्हणूया. Okay, A is equal to minus 3 by 4 is equal to minus 0.75. So what is the unit of A? A parameter काय असतो unit सांगा. A is voltage gain. A is equal to काय असतो? Voltage gain असतो. Okay, no unit, that is unitless. So A is equal to minus 0.75. The next, what is the formula for B? B is equal to, yes, that is the sum of product. Okay, so second is B parameter and B म्हणजे काय असतो? Impedance. त्याचं युनिट काय असतो? ओहम. So B is equal to ZA into ZB plus ZB into ZC plus ZC into ZA divided by ZC. So everywhere ZC is the common in the denominator. So ZA into ZB, that is J40 into J80, take in a bracket. Next plus J80 into minus J160. Next plus minus J160 into J40. So divided by ZC is minus J160. So take carefully, you can solve this expression. J into J is always J square. Okay, J square. So 40 into 80. 40 into 80 काय होणार आहे? 40 into 80, that is 320. Okay, 40 into 80, that is 3200. Okay, next again plus J square. So sorry, J square राहणार आणि मायनस येणार परत, कारण 80 into minus 160 आहे. So multiply 16 into 8. 16 into 8 केल्यावर I think it's 128 minus 12800. Next again plus J square. Now it is minus, because minus 160 into 40, that is minus 4600 divided by this minus J160 as it is. Okay, now J square you can take common. J square तुम्ही common घेऊ शकता. Okay, so J square you can take common. So 3200 minus 12800 minus 6400 divided by 160, and here you can take minus J. So someone tell me, so this J and 1J will get cancelled. So minus J will be the answer here. Minus J runner. बरोबर आहे? So someone tell this expression. Calculate करा आणि सांगा. Okay, it is minus म्हणजे 16,000 येणार का? 16,000, sorry, 1600 divided by 160, that is minus 100. So minus and this minus will get cancelled, becomes positive. So the answer of B will be J100. So what is the unit of B? That is the ohm. Okay, now next, third parameter, that is the C. So C is equal to what? 1 upon ZC. So it is 1 upon minus J160. So C means what? Admittance. Okay, so 1 upon minus J काय येणार सांगा? पहिला 1 upon 60. ओके, आता इथे काय करतो बघा, मी इथे J आणि इथे J ने मल्टिप्लाय करतो दोन्ही ठिकाणी. ओके, सो J remain in the numerator. J into 1 means j. So j into j, that is minus j square. J square म्हणजे काय असतो -1. So it becomes 1. So j upon 160 राहणार. So 1 upon 160 म्हणजे काय सांगा. So c is equal to j and give the answer of 1 upon 160. Okay, 6.25 into 10 raised to minus minus 3. So this is the value of C. So unit is mho because it is admittance. Now lastly calculate the D. So D is equal to what runner? ZB plus ZC divided by ZC. Okay. So ZB is what? J80 minus J160 divided by minus J160. So this will be minus J80 and this will be minus J160. So minus J will get cancelled. 80 and these two 1 upon 2 runner. D is equal to काय येणार 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2 means what 0.5 as it is denoting what current gain. D म्हणजेच काय असतो current gain. So D is equal to 0.5 no unit. Okay, so finally you can write all those parameters in a one box. So that will be the all ABCD parameters. So A is equal to what you got. A is equal to किती आलता. A is equal to minus 7.75. B is equal to J100 ohm. C is equal to J into 6.25 into 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, that is mho, and D is equal to 0.5. So these are the answers of ABCD parameters. So you can write here ABCD parameters. Okay, so any doubt in this problem? Konal doubt hai? This question was asked in the university question paper. Okay, so within 1 minute I will again start. I will take the attendance. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3. Uh, obtain y parameters. Obtain y parameters of given network. Carefully read. This question was also asked in the university question paper. So who will tell the logic how to find out, or who will tell how to find out or how to solve this type of problem? So first of all, you have to identify how they are connected, how many networks are there, how many two-port networks are there, and how they are connected. म्हणजे तुम्हाला कनेक्शन ओळखायचे आहेत त्याचे. We have already learned 3 types of connection, interconnection of two-port networks. So out of these 3, which is the correct here? V2, this VD plus minus V1. So this is the given network and asking find out y parameters of given network. So current direction is also given. it is flowing in this direction. How to solve this type of problem? Anyone? Anyone guessed how to solve this? कुठल्या टाईपचं कनेक्शन आहे? Which type of connection? Series, parallel, cascade? Yes, parallel. कारण ह्या दोन्हीतलं व्होल्टेज हा पोर्ट व्होल्टेज किती आहे? V1 आहे. तोच तुम्ही असं जर बघितलं तर ह्याच्या अक्रॉसचा व्होल्टेज पण V1च आहे. जेव्हा व्होल्टेज सेम असतो त्याला काय म्हणतात? पॅरलल कॉम्बिनेशन. ओके, सो टू नेटवर्क्स आर देअर. ह्याला नेटवर्क एक्स म्हणूया, ह्याला नेटवर्क वाय म्हणूया. So network X and network Y connected in parallel. So you have to use for representing which parameter you are going to use. Parallel connection साठी कुठला parameter use करतोय आपण? Y parameter, and that is asking. So you have to find out the Y parameters of parallel combination of network X and network Y. Okay, X आणि Y असं दिलेलं नाहीये. We have to take it. We have to consider it. So you have to start with the solution like this. As given network is a parallel connection of parallel, so you have to identify, तुम्हाला ओळखता यायला पाहिजे. As given network is parallel connection of two port networks, two port networks, Y parameters are used. Y parameters are used. Okay, so consider here, consider network X and network Y. So not given, you have to consider network X and network Y किंवा network A असे म्हणू शकता, network A and network B, whatever you can take. Okay, so two networks are given. So how to find out now Y parameters? How to find out Y parameters? The Y parameters are given by नेटवर्क ए चा Y पॅरामीटर्स कसं फाइंड आउट करायचं? सो Y पॅरामीटर्स आर गिवन बाय y11 इज इक्वल टू y11 ऑफ A प्लस y11 ऑफ B, y12 इज इक्वल टू y12 ऑफ A प्लस y12 ऑफ B, y21 इज इक्वल टू y21 ऑफ A प्लस y21 ऑफ B, and y22 is equal to y22 of A plus y22 of B. म्हणजे काय? नेटवर्क ए चे वाय पॅरामीटर माहित असायला पाहिजे, नेटवर्क बी चे वाय पॅरामीटर तुम्हाला माहित असायला पाहिजे, तरच तुम्ही ओव्हरऑल वाय पॅरामीटर्स फाइंड आउट करू शकता. आता यातलं नेटवर्क ए चे वाय पॅरामीटर्स दिलेत का? चेक. दीज आर दी झेड पॅरामीटर्स. ओके, झेड पॅरामीटर दिले नेटवर्क ए चा. नेटवर्क बी चा वाय पॅरामीटर दिलेत का? यस, नेटवर्क बी चा वाय पॅरामीटर दिलेलं आहे, म्हणजे एक काम तुमचं वाचलं. सो झेड पॅरामीटर्स आर गिवन, यू कॅन इझिली कन्वर्ट द झेड पॅरामीटर इनटू वाय पॅरामीटर्स. पहिलं तुम्हाला काय करायचं आता? नेटवर्क ए चा झेड पॅरामीटर दिलेला आहे, त्याचं तुम्हाला वाय पॅरामीटर मध्ये कन्वर्ट करावं लागेल. मग त्याचे वाय पॅरामीटर्स आणि ह्याचे वाय पॅरामीटर्स ऑलरेडी दिलेले आहेत, मग दोघांचं ऍडिशन करायचं. Okay, so make it addition and then you will get the final Y parameters of the parallel combination. Okay, so we start now with, first of all we will convert. So as Z parameters are given, Z parameters of network A is given. So how they are given? Z is equal to काय दिलेलं आहे बघा, 2 3 3 8. ओके, सो दॅट इज नथिंग बट Z11 इज इक्वल टू Z11 A म्हणूया किंवा Z11 घेऊया, डोंट कन्फ्यूज. Z11 इज इक्वल टू, ओके, सो विल सी हियर Z पॅरामीटर Z matrix is given for the network A, that is 2, 3, 3, 8. So find out delta Z. So delta Z means what? Determinant of this matrix. So delta Z is nothing but take 2 into 8 minus this multiplication 3 into 3. So 2 into 8 is 16 minus 9, that is 7. Delta Z is 7. So these are nothing but Z parameters. So Z11 is equal to 2, Z12 and Z21 are the 3, and Z22 is equal to 8 ohm. So Z parameters and delta Z we got now. So you know the relation between Z parameter and Y parameter. So as you are finding Y parameters, so Y parameters in terms of Z ते तुम्हाला फॉर्म्युलेज माहित असायला पाहिजे. So Y11 of A is equal to Z22 divided by delta Z असतो. Y12A is equal to काय असतं रिलेशन Y12A आणि Y21A. Yes. Okay. So minus Z12 upon delta Z, सगळीकडे delta Z कॉमन असतो. Then Y21 of A is equal to minus Z21 divided by delta Z, आणि Y22 is equal to Z11 divided by delta Z. फक्त इथं Y11 असताना Z22 घ्यायचा, इथं Y22 असताना Z11 घ्यायचा, आणि प्रत्येक ठिकाणी डिनॉमिनेटरला डेल्टा Z आहे. सो पुट द व्हॅल्यूज हिअर. Z22 किती आहे? 8 आहे. 8 divided by 7, unit is mho. So here Z12 is 3, so minus 3 by 7 mho. Next Z21 किती आहे? परत 3 आहे, so minus 3 divided by 7 mho. And lastly Z11 किती आहे? 2 आहे, so 2 by 7, that is mho. So these are the Y parameters of network A, and Y parameters of network B already given, already दिलेलं आहे. So Y parameters of network B are given. So you can write Y11 of B is equal to, तुमच्या ह्याच्यामध्ये लिहून घ्या. Okay, so Y11 of B is equal to 2.5 mho. Y12 of B is equal to 4 by 5 mho. Y21 of B is equal to 4 by 5 mho, and Y22 of B is equal to 6 by 5 mho. Now you got both Y parameters of network A as well as network B. So finally you can add according to the parallel combination. So finally you can add now. So how to add now? So the Y parameters of given network or Y parameters of parallel combination, you can write Y parameters of parallel connection is given by Y11 is equal to Y11 of A plus Y11 of B. किती आलं व्हॅल्यू सांगा? Y11 of A, that is 8 by 7, plus Y11 of B, 2 by 5. So take the cross multiplication, solve this. 8 into 5, 8 into 5, that is the 40. 7 into 2, that is 14. Okay, so it will directly 40 and 70, 54 by 35. 7 into 5 is 35. 54 divided by 35, that is the mho. Then Y12 is equal to Y12 of A plus Y12 of B. So Y12 of A is minus 3 by 7 plus 4 by 5. So again minus 3 into 5 is minus 15, and 7 into 4 is plus 28. Plus 28 मधून minus 15 गेला, that is 13. So 13 divided by 35 mho. Y21 is equal to Y21 of A plus Y21 of B is equal to, हे सेम येणार परत, कारण इथं पण minus 3 by 7 आहे आणि इथं परत plus 4 by 5 आहे. So directly you can write 13 by 35 mho. And lastly Y22 is equal to y22 is y22 of a plus y22 of b is equal to y22 किती आहे 2/7 and here it is 6/5. So calculate this. 2 into 5 is 10 and 7 into 6 is 45. 45 plus 10 is 52 divided by 7 into 5, that is 35. That is more. So finally y parameters you can write in a one box. So y11 is equal to 54/35 more. Y12 is equal to y21 is equal to 13/35 more, and y22 is equal to 52/35 more. Okay, so this will be the answer. So any doubt in this particular problem? Third problem, पहिलं तुम्हाला काय करायला पाहिजे, कनेक्शन कुठले ते ओळखता यायला पाहिजे. वाय पॅरामीटर यूज करायचा पॅरलल कॉम्बिनेशन साठी. मग दोन पॅरामीटर मधलं एकाचं वाय पॅरामीटर ऑलरेडी दिलेलं आहे, दुसऱ्याचं झेड पॅरामीटर दिलंय. मग त्या झेड वरून तुम्हाला त्याचा वाय पॅरामीटर फाइंड आउट करायचा बाय इंटर रिलेशन. Once you get the y parameters of both network, then according to parallel connection we are going to use y parameters and use these equations. So and then you can put the values, you will get the answer of y parameters. Okay, so still many problems are there, but you can take already these all problems I have given in the assignment. Okay, in the assignment booklet you can start to solve the assignment. So any doubt is